That was something back. Jamaican music is probably the most impressive modern Caribbean form of music. When I was a boy in Jamaica, they had something called mento. Many of you might not have heard of mento. Mento is very much like calypso, like what you hear from Trinidad. And then later on, it became ska. Some Jamaicans call it ska. Check, check, check. Then it became rock steady. And then it became reggae, Bob Marley. Then it became ragamuffin and so on. And now it's about dancehall. Last night I overheard a guy, pull up, and bing, bang, bing, 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 bing. There's no steady beat and so on. And so that is what I would call evolve. And when I say evolve, I don't know if it changes for the better, but I know that it has changed over the years. Calypso hasn't changed. It might not be a bad thing. What Calypso did, contemporary, the people who made it are still alive or they are very old. In Brazil you have samba. So every carnival there's samba and so on. But the young people don't go to the discotheque, you don't hear samba on the radio. But it is there and recognized and respected as the foundation of Brazilian music upon which other genres develop. You understand what I mean? So Cadastexo should remain that way here in Dominica. Let me say something, a societal observation. Nowhere in the world you see parents and children. Cadastexo was 50 years old. So which means you have a few generations. Nowhere in the world that you see parents and children digging, that is my old word, maybe use another word, like